Hello and welcome to sherryvans.com. That's SHERRYVANS.com. We are one of the largest conversion van dealers in the country with stocking over 50 new and pre-owned vehicles, including mobility vans. We're extremely excited about this product here. This is a Ram ProMaster City. We've done a couple of them in the past, and we are definitely starting to get them back into stock again. They run out of stock extremely quick. That's why I'm so excited about this particular unit. 2020, like I said, ProMaster City mobility van, which makes it nice. As you can see, it's just a factory ProMaster City on the outside. All the bells and whistles on the inside that you would expect. It's going to have your power windows, as you can see here. Open your door right there. It's going to have heated seats in the front, cloth seat, as you can see. You also do have hands-free capability, so you can program your phone directly into this vehicle right here. Cruise control features are over here on the right hand side of the steering wheel, and you also have the option of operating your radio on the back hand side of the steering wheel here. Touchscreen radio with AM FM. You also do have a media spot where you can download media into this radio, a built-in compass, and like I told you over there on the steering wheel, you can pair your phone directly into this radio. Automatic transmission. You have a 12-volt DC plug here in the front. Actually, two of them, I'm sorry. A nice little cup holder located behind that. Cloth seating, as I just told you up there. And this is seating for 6 people, so you're going to have 2 up front, 3 in the center here. These do have child safety hooks, as you can see there. And this is a dual sliding door, so you can access the rear of this back of this vehicle from the passenger and driver's side. But what makes this vehicle so unique is what we've done to the rear of it. We've made this into a mobility van. This is a manual lift, as you can see here. Very nice, very convenient, and most importantly, extremely affordable. One of the cheapest new conversion vans as far as mobility goes on the market. There's not a mobility vehicle out there right now in 2020 that is under $40,000 like this one is here, and at this size too, which makes it nice. You can get into any of these parks, any of these parking areas that you're trying to get into, which is a huge advantage with this vehicle. Very large, spacious room. If you want to know dimensions on this, please give us a phone call. We'll be more than happy to give you all that information. As you can see, we got the built-in tie-downs, 2 in the rear and 2 in the front already built into this vehicle. Like I said, it is a manual ramp. It weighs very, very little. I'll kind of show you in demonstration how it works. One hand, I kept my other hand on the camera, as you noticed, and just popped it right up. And there is locks for this lift. Simply just locks down like that. Oops, sorry. Locks down like that. Very easy concept, and it's secure, just like that. So if you're looking for an extremely affordable conversion van, which is very, very hard to find, this vehicle is brand new, guys, which makes it nice. Under $40,000 mobility van, located here at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. Our website is sherryvans.com. We stock over 50 new and pre-owned conversion vans, including mobility vans. If you want to check us out on our website and you're on YouTube, please visit our website at sherryvans.com. That's SHERRYVANS.com. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button, give us a like. That way you can be assured to see all of our new arrivals, just like this vehicle here today. And guys, most importantly, we do ship nationwide with all of our conversion vans and mobility vans. So no matter where you're located in the country, we can put this vehicle in your driveway for you. So once again, if you're looking for a mobility van, please give us a phone call at 937-778-0830, or you can inquire right on our website, and we'll get back with you as soon as we can. And once again, for the guaranteed best price on any mobility van or conversion van, make sure you always shop sherryvans.com.